About 4 months will pass until the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is officially released, but we already know about at least one of the unreal surprises Samsung has in store for the S25 Ultra. This isn't a joke, it's really unreal. The Ice Universe Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be the thinnest Ultra Pro XL flagship phone available, surpassing competitors like as the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm not sure how they're going to do this, but just to give you guys an idea, I now have the greatest flagship phones from both of these companies with me, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are both slimmer and lighter than the S24 Ultra. The fact that the S25 Ultra will outweigh both of these phones in terms of weight, and not just in terms of thinness but also in terms of weight while sporting an insane S Pen inside, is just absurd to me. It is now quite obvious that the S25 Ultra will be more than just a rounded Galaxy flagship, albeit we are unsure of what sort of dark magic Samsung is going to work on its design. Samsung is cooking up something really amazing, maybe the best designed Galaxy Ultra flagship they have ever produced. Additionally, according to news reports, Samsung is hard at work developing not just One UI 7.0 but also One UI 7.1, despite the fact that the US carrier-locked Galaxy S25 Ultra does not yet have the first build of the software available. The fact that Samsung is releasing the One UI 7.1 leak so soon suggests that the company is cooking up some very cool features for this software update, which will undoubtedly be based on the 15 and will naturally be designed to work right out of the box with the S25 family of phones. Finally, but just as importantly, it appears that Samsung's XR headset is becoming a reality with each passing day. This is because, as per a leak discovered in the Geekbench database, the Samsung XR headset, model number SML133, is real and runs Android 14 with a 16GB RAM Snapdragon XR Plus dual-generation processor. We'll see how this performs in real life, since this is the first XR headset created in partnership with Qualcomm and Google, although I must admit that the benchmark scores are a little low, so I'm not sure whether this is the final result. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.